My name is Kukua and this is Kukuasinspiration. In this video, I'll share with you some amazing benefits of turmeric. Ideally, this motivates, inspire, and help you in one way or the other, as they have helped me. Now, let's go straight into the video. The spice known as turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Many high-quality studies show that turmeric has major benefits for your body and brain. Many of these benefits come from its main active ingredient, curcumin. Turmeric is the spice that gives curry its yellow color. It has been used in India for thousands of years as both a spice and medicinal herb. Recently, scientists have started to back up claims that turmeric contains compounds with medicinal properties. These compounds are called curcuminoids. The most important one is curcumin. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effect and is very strong antioxidant. Now, let's go into the benefit. Curcumin is fat soluble, which means it breaks down and dissolves in fat or oil. That is why it may be a good idea to take curcumin supplement with a meal that is high in fat. Curcumin is also a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps fight foreign invaders and has a role in repairing damage in your body. Although acute short-term inflammation is beneficial, it can be a concern if it becomes chronic and attacks your body's own tissues. Scientists now believe that chronic low-level inflammation can play a role in some health conditions and disease, which includes heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, various degenerative conditions. That is why anything that can help fight chronic inflammation is potentially important in preventing and helping treat these conditions. Turmeric can increase the antioxidant capacity of the body. Oxidative damage is believed to be one of the mechanisms behind aging and many diseases. It involves free radicals, highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons. Free radicals tend to react with important organic substances such as fatty acids, proteins, or DNA. The main reason antioxidants are so beneficial is that they protect your body from free radicals. And curcumin is an important antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals due to its chemical structure. Curcumin can also boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Neurons are capable of forming new connections, and in certain areas of the brain, they can multiply and increase in number. One of the main drivers of this process is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This is a gene that is involved in making a protein responsible for promoting the life of neurons. The BDNF protein plays a role in memory and learning, and it can be found in areas of the brain responsible for eating, drinking, and body weight. Curcumin found in turmeric can also boost levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and may help fight various degenerative processes in your brain. Next, curcumin has been beneficial effects on several factors known to play a role in heart disease. Plus, it is an anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the world, and curcumin may lower your risk of heart disease. Next, turmeric may help prevent cancer. Curcumin has been studied as a beneficial help in cancer treatment and been found to affect cancer growth and development. Studies have shown that it can contribute to the death of cancerous cells. Next, curcumin may be useful in treating Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia and may contribute to up to 70% of dementia cases. It is known that inflammation and oxidative damage play a role in Alzheimer's disease, and curcumin has beneficial effect on both. Next, arthritis patients respond well to curcumin supplements. Arthritis is a common problem in Western countries. Arthritis is a common disorder characterized by joint inflammation. Many studies show that curcumin can help treat symptoms of arthritis and is, in some cases, more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. Next, curcumin has benefits against depression. Curcumin has shown some promise in treating depression. Depression is also linked to reduced levels of BDNF and a shrinking hippocampus, a brain area with a role in learning and memory. Curcumin can help boost BDNF levels, potentially reversing some of these changes. Next, curcumin may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. Yes, if you do not want to age early, remember, you cannot fight age, but you can slow it. So start incorporating turmeric into your diet. If curcumin can really help prevent heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's, it may have benefits for longevity as well. This suggests that curcumin may have potential as an anti-aging supplement. So, bringing everything together, turmeric and especially its most active compound, curcumin, have many scientifically proven health benefits. As always, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. Thanks for making time with me today. And do not forget, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye.